Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. I have not done any update on my YouTube channel. Been busy with the kids and work, so but from now on I promise to upload any update regarding the app C, or I will be also doing some Amazon FBA update because I've been doing that a lot. So but for now, I just today the reason why I'm here is just to give you an update regarding my FC account. Finally, guys, after how many years? I think after 2 years since FC closed my account, and I was not able to get it back at all. I mean, for one time I got it back, and then for some reason they closed it again. So after 2 years, because when they closed my account, I tried to create another account, and anytime I tried, they closed it. So after 2 years, and then we changed our internet provider, and I changed my phone as well. So I don't know if that was the reason for them to let me create a new one. So and I was like, oh, I miss FC, let me try to see. And after all of this, since it's been 2 years, let me try to create another account. So I tried to create another account, and for some reason, poof, it went through. And then I was doubting it. I was like, okay, let's just give this one for like 2 weeks and 3 weeks and see, maybe they're gonna find something out and they're gonna close it or whatever. So I didn't put anything there, so I just opened the account and leave it there. So after 1 week pass, my account is still there. 2 weeks pass, my account is still there. In 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, my account is still there. I was like, oh, okay, weird, but at least and I might try to upload some product that I was testing, and it went through, and I tried to do some FC ads, and all of that went through, and it was super. And I was making a payment as well because I put my credit card there, and then they sent me like an email, them saying that, oh, my account has been deactivated, but the reason was because I did not make the payment. So I was like, okay, let me go and make the payment. And I make the payment, and my account was back. But right now, like, my account's still up, right, guys? But I'm still doubting it. Maybe one day they're just gonna wake up and close it again. I don't know. But for some reason, like, I was like, okay, they open it, that's fine, because I've already started my Amazon FBA. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you an update. This is a short video just to give you an update. If your account has been closed for 2 years, I mean, if you try to open it or to create a new one, it may go through, it might not. I don't know if mine is an exception or something, but for some reason my account is back and on its own. So I don't know. So I just wanted to give you that update. But if you guys are interested in knowing more about Amazon FBA, I will upload some video regarding Amazon FBA as well. Provide some training how to open your Amazon FBA, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and just leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye.